What's good, everybody? It's your girl Rishay here, back again with another video. This is my room. This is the pimple on my forehead. These are my eye bags. And the only reason I'm filming this intro from my bed is because Salem decided she was going to lay on my back. And it's kind of rude to say, you know, get off to a cat. So we're just gonna wait here and do the intro on the bed. But I do have a very awesome DIY for you guys today. I actually enjoyed this very much and I can't wait for you to see it. So let's get on to the video. Salem. Just in case you guys have never seen Salem, that's what she looks like. She's a jerk.
Alright guys, so here's the skirt that I'm working with today. It's very long and not my style personally. It just doesn't fit me very well. I don't like the shape that it gives me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it into a two-piece. And by doing that, I believe it's going to be a lot better than what it is. So real quick video of me and how the skirt fits and flows. It does have an elastic waistband, so that's good. I don't have to mess with zippers or anything because I'm basically just going to chop a portion of the bottom off. So what I did here was I used pins to hold down both of the layers, and I'm going to chop it off real quick. I measured how much I want it to go up. I did pin the bottom down to itself, if that makes any sense, to make it easier for me to cut. So now that we're done with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and hem the bottom of the skirt. Just gonna do a double rolled hem. Y'all have seen this everywhere and in every tutorial. Just fold up once and then fold up a second time and pin it. And then you're gonna go ahead and sew along the ends. So with the bottom of the skirt, I basically put my pattern. Y'all have seen my pattern used several times before. This is my absolute favorite. I went ahead and put each piece on there and pinned to both layers, with the exception of number 5. I'm going to show you what number 5 is used for in a second here. So I got the rest cut out. I did add length to them because I wanted my corset to be a little bit bigger. Number 5 is only pinned to the first layer. This is because I'm going to use the second layer for something else. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move that out the way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out this piece right here. And then I'm going to flip it over and put it on that cat piece over on this side. And basically I just kind of want some sort of similarity.
Alright guys, so I actually started pinning everything together. I did cut out an entire lining out of it was like a silky men's button up. Had the bottom of it because I actually shortened it. So I cut a lining out of that, out of each pattern. And so I'm basically going to assemble this all together. I've assembled this pattern before. I'll link it down below. And I'll put the link up in the corner for that video that I assembled this in. Okay? So this is where I'm at, guys. Again, this still doesn't fit me. I don't know if the boob fits me. I'm gonna try it on in a second. But I gotta put the second cup in after I finish assembling the rest of it. And yeah, we'll see where it goes from there. Okay, it's not gonna make any sense to you guys, but this is all that's left. And I am short about 3 inches on my back, which technically means that I need 6.5 inches on this side and 2 inches on this side, plus the straps. So we are going to work a miracle, and well, I'm going to build my 6.5 inches and my 2 inches, and then we'll see what we have left for the straps. So yeah. Alright, so I've made my bra clasp thingy. Sorry for my stitching, my machine's acting up, but now I have to do the straps. So this is all we have left, and I found the biggest pieces and we're gonna make straps out of that. I'm basically gonna do a 1 1/8. Try and get 4 of them. Okay. So I have 1 inches 4 of them. I'm gonna sew them together diagonal wise. Oops. Like that. It's so diagonal wise. Okay, so here are my 2 straps. Here is my lining. And here is my cap, corset. What I'm basically going to do is pair right sides together, so pay no attention to these pins. It's just showing where I was going to end the corset. I made it too big. Yes, I'm using my mouth. I made it too big, so I'm actually going to take it up an inch. But basically, I'm going to sew top and bottom. The top I'm only going to do 1/4 seam allowance. The bottom I'm going to do 1 inch. And then I'm going to leave the sides open, if that makes any sense. The sides are going to stay open, so yeah. Alright, so right here at the corner of this cup, I just pinned in this piece of the strap right there, and I have it actually shooting that way, so that way it opens. It's not like tugging weird, if that makes sense. But I'm going to do the exact same to that corner with this strap. Alright, so now I'm going to chop these off, these corners, and then put little slits in, so that way when I fold it inside out and top stitch it, it's going to look clean around the curves. Don't forget to cut your little notches. Alright, so here it is, bottom sewn 1 inch up, top sewn 1/4. Sides are still open. What I'm basically going to do is stick my hand all the way through. Once I'm out the other side, I'm just going to pull it through. Okay, so now that it's inside out, all of the edges are finished. I'm going to try it on and pin where I want this to go in the back, and then I'm going to sew the edges shut. Alright guys, I put it all together and turned it inside out. This is all that is left of the skirt. And then the closure is this. I did mess up on this, but I can teach you how to make this if you want. But it's basically a bra strap closure. If I had to do this again, I would probably make the cups bigger, because I didn't realize this is probably a size like B if it's not stretchy. It's a size B pattern, and I'm a C, so kind of doesn't fit me, but I love it. It turned out pretty decent. So yeah.
Alright, so here's the finished top. I chose to wear this first without the skirt piece so you can see what it looks like. I have no idea what music I'm dancing to, but it totally does not match what I'm going to put on this video for copyright reasons. And here is the skirt with the top. Again, I don't remember what I was dancing to, but apparently I was really into it, so have a couple seconds of me being a complete dork. I don't think y'all seen this side of me for sure, but here you go. But wait, y'all thought I was finished showing off? Nah. Let me hit you with an awkward adventure real quick. So guys, I went to this awesome place called Wonder Chamber here in San Antonio. It's basically an interactive museum. It's full of aesthetically pleasing rooms that you can mess with, play with, change the settings on. They encourage you to bring a photographer, or you could just take selfies, so it was just so much fun. I do recommend it.
Alright guys, that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on all socials. They're gonna be at Okayrichay. Say goodbye, Salim. No? Okay, well, she's not gonna say goodbye, but, you know, at least you got to see her. You'll probably never see her in any of the videos again because she doesn't like people or the camera. In fact, she barely likes me, but forever is forever. Right, buddy? Oh, nope, she's gonna lay back down. And Smokey is being bad. Smokey, get down! Alright, I'll see you guys later.